They look good so far.
Hey guys, so it's Gabby here. Today we have this Barbie Dolphin Magic Ocean View boat. Whoa! Let's open this. Whoa! So here it is out of the box. Wow, look at this. Look, it's like a snorkel for the Barbie. It will wrap around the head. Look at that, and it's yellow. It's really small. I can only fit like one eye in it. Wow. So I want to put the snorkel on Barbie, and then she can like breathe underwater kind of. So let's put it on her face. And then we'll wrap it around her head. Whoa. Okay. It might look weird at first, but then I'll fix it. It kind of looks weird, but it looks good. Look at that. She can like breathe. The air will come through here, so yay! Let's let her go here. Next, look. There's like the sunscreen lotion, so they don't, like their skin doesn't burn. Look at that. Wow. And she can rub it all over her body. Yeah. Whoa. Look, she has a camera. She can take some pictures. It's so small. Click, 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 click. Whoa. Look, it even has a bow on it. Look, there's 2 drinks, and they're both blue. Ooh, look at that. She can even like drink. Look, I like best. I think she would float with this. Let's put this on her. Okay. And it's even pink. Oh, her snorkel might fall off, but we can fix that later. Oh yeah, that did fall off. Let's take that off then. Here we go. Let's get her hair out. There we go. Wow, that looks cute. And her favorite color is pink, so here's the pink light vest. Oh yeah. Look at this. You know what this is? It's a raft, but it's for puppies. And you can even connect it to the boat. And here are the puppies. So here is one. So this is like a light brown with a blue one. Look at that. And look, this one is wearing a pink one. This one's sitting. Cool. And it's wearing a purple one. So this is their own little raft. It's like blue. Look at that. Yes. But now look. It's the boat. Wow, look at this. It looks big. Whoa. And this has 4 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. And Barbie can like control the boat, going wherever she wants. And this boat will actually float. Wow. So look at that. Look at this. It's her. Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at the top. It's clear. Look at that. It's a clear blue ceiling. And let's look at the back. Look, you can go see through it. It's a clear boat. Look at that. There's a dolphin that is pink. Wow! There's a lot under there. Cool. Yay! And this will actually float. Let's see it. Here we go. It's floating! And let's add the raft, and this will also float. So let's connect it to the back. It's actually floating already. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! And the puppies will go in there. So let's add the puppies in. Oh, this is exciting. And the last one will be like in the front. And then here. And they can all go on the raft. And they're still floating! Now, I really want to add Barbie. But she invited some friends to come over. She has Shimmer and Shine and also Leah. The boat's getting away. So, let's get them in. Oh, too bad they don't have a life vest. There's only one. Okay, let's add Barbie in. Oh, okay, you can pull it. Oh my god! That's so cool! Okay, let's add her down here. Now, let's add them in. Let's do Leah in front. Wow, her hair. Let's bring that to the side. It might get a little wet, but that's okay. And then, Shine. Let's let them sit like that. And now let's get Shimmer. Sit there. And then there. Wow, that's long hair. Look at that. And let's do that. There we go. Okay, let's get in.
We're going on the boat. Oh, no, the puppies. But they can swim, so yeah. They look good so far. Wow. Oh no. I think the dogs are okay. Let's go a little fast. I'll go underwater. Yeah, that looks cool. Clear bottom. Yeah, let's go. Wow. Yay! They're all in it still. Another island! Oh no, puppy! So since they keep on going out of the raft or puppy raft and they really want to get in the water, I'm gonna throw them in the water and then get them! So let's throw them! There's one, there's two, and there's oh, three! I think they're gonna float, but look at that. Wow, you don't even need to go forward. You can even go backwards using the puppy raft. Whoa! Look at that. It's so cool! Now, let's get the camera. So Barbie can take some pictures with all of her friends. Since I'm like one of her friends, I want to take their picture. So here we go. Click. Picture. Click, click, click. Yay! And they can add that to like a vacation album. Wow, this water keeps on getting in. Woo! So now, since I've been like waiting a little, I'm gonna go see and find the puppies. Oh, yay! I think it's all the way over there. So, let's go. Found it. Here's the blue one. Let's go all the way back. Yay! Now, let's go in again. Oops, there we go. The puppies fell out. Let's swim and dive with Barbie. Dress us dive. So this toy was really fun, playing in the water. Look at this. And I really like the life vest and the snorkel. It looks cute. And I really like this boat. And I like it how it actually floats. Wow! Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch for more videos. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Yay!